Look at these beautiful and cute pets!
No! We have to ensure safety from pets at all costs! I can't believe I was defeated by some smelly animals! That's it! No pets on the train anymore! Oh no! What happened to you, you poor girl?
Oh, I broke my arm! I was playing table tennis and I fell!
Oh no! Look at his wound! It's massive! My hand is unusable! Come over here! You can be first! Come first, you poor thing! Ugh, it's so bad! You can't even imagine the pain I'm feeling! Ha! Finally, I'm in! Alright, time to show your tickets!
Here's my ticket!
Can you hold this for a minute? Wait a minute, you can use your hand? What? Oh no, it hurts a lot! I will use this scanner to see if you're hiding something. I knew it! You're hiding a pet in there! Let's see. You liar! I knew it! Get out! I can't believe those passengers are getting so creative. But, any animals on you?
Of course not! Where?
Let me check your luggage. Why is it so heavy?
What? Look! There's a lion!
Rawr! A lion? Where?
Let's use this phone and play some lion roaring and just place it over here.
Oh wow! There's a lion somewhere! I told you you're hiding something inside! I have to check that. Roar! Roar! Oh, I think you're all right.
Here's my ticket!
Oh, you're good! Please go!
Yay! Oh, I'm so happy I'm in! Shh! Come here, little kitty! This is amazing! I have my best friend with me on my trip!
All right, boys, please stop. Are you hiding anything I should know about? What do you mean? We're clean. Let's see about that. Oh no, not the scanner! Wait a minute, you there, stop!
What is it? Here's my ticket!
No pets on the train!
I don't have any pets with me, it's just a mask! Hey, listen, James, I think I have a plan.
Let's do this! Okay, so where were we? Hey, listen! What's over there? What? It's a pet! Come here, you little! Come here! I'll catch you! Finally, I'm in! Yes, our plan worked perfectly! Joshua, you're like a mastermind! Let's get down to business. Here comes a puppy!
Oh, he's so cute and adorable!
Get out of my way! I'm late to the meeting! Let me in! I'm really late! Stop! I need to search you first! Okay, hurry up then! Okay, using this scanner, it will be fast! Okay, do it then! The scanner is picking something up! Oh no! You got me! Let's see! There's nothing here! Wow, that was a close one! Oh wow! What? There's something on your forehead! My forehead is completely clean and clear! Maybe I didn't get enough sleep tonight. You can go! I'm so happy I sneaked in! Let's see where my lizard is. What? He's not on my tie! Where did he disappear to?
It's on your forehead!
Oh, there he is! Yes! Oh my, he's so scary! How could he be scary? Look at this fellow!
Here's my ticket! Oh my, look at that!
Step aside, make way, come on. What are you looking at? All right, do you have any pets with you? No. Let me see. No, you can't get closer. Let me get closer. Back off of me. Listen, she is transporting very important jewelry that is insanely expensive. I still need to check her. No, you can't check her. I will check you. What's going on? I am being checked? Okay, he's clean. You can show your jewelry.
Oh, wow! Look at that jewelry!
It's something I've never seen before. All right, we're going! Oh, yes! We tricked them so bad!
I know, right? Finally, I can go back to normal. Just don't forget to store our insect safely. There you go! Here's my ticket, Mr. Conductor. Can I come in?
Hello, what are you looking at? Hey, watch it! Hey, what's going on here? I'm on a case finding kidnapped pets. What? Are you hiding something over there? Of course not! Even if I did, I wouldn't hide it there. Let's use this awesome scanner. Cheese! Wait a minute. What's that I'm seeing? It's a rat! Look, he's trying to sneak a rat! You're right! It's a rat! Yes, good work. I can go now. Finally, I'm on the train. Oh, wait! Something is itching me over here.
What's that? There are little mice over here! Oh, they're so cute! Oh my god!
I know, they're awesome. Oh, I'm so cold. Now please show me your tickets. Do you have any animals with you?
Of course not!
We're on our first trip together. Oh no! What am I going to do with my fish? Oh, look! I can use this cup! Now I'm ready to sneak in my fish. My fish is hiding in one of these cups. It's the one with the sticker. The other one is real coffee. Perfect plan. Hey, stop now! No pets allowed on the train. I see you're pretty cold. Maybe you want a sip. Yes, I want a sip of coffee. Wait a minute. Take this one. No? Oh no. I lost the sticker marking where my fish is. Okay, take this one. Finally, thank you. This coffee. Oh no, is something wrong? It's perfect! Thank you! Oh, no worries, you can have that. Okay, I'm in. Come here, you little buddy. Let's see if you're alive. You have animals on you? What? Me? No, it's you! Hey, I don't have anything on me. Come with me now. No! That was a close one. Here's my ticket. Thank you. Do you have any pets?
Oh no! I have pets.
I'll run now!
Oh no! My yarn and stuff! Why would you do such a thing? It was an accident. I'm very sorry.
Oh no!
But wait a second. I know what to do.
Hello, miss. Do you have any pets with you?
Hello, Mr. Conductor. Oh no, I don't.
Can I check your bag, please? Okay, you're free to go. Wait a second. There's something in your hair.
Oh no, I was afraid of that.
Here you go. Someone left a feather in your hair.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Conductor.
No problemo.
Hey guys, do you like my new hairstyle? Looks great. But wait a second. There's a snake there.
It is a snake.
Run for your life.
Oh God, run!
Hey guys, what's wrong with snakes? She's harmless.
Oh damn, these door systems keep breaking all the time. I hope this helps. Ouch, every single time. Oh look, the conductor is busy. What if maybe I can take his toolbox? Yes, great idea. Wait a minute, where's my toolbox? Hey, stop. Hello, sir. Do you have any pets with you? No, I don't carry such things with me. I'm a mechanic. Oh, you're a mechanic? Great news! Maybe you can fix this door for me. All right, let me try. Hey, look, what's over there? Should work now. Oh yeah, it's working now. All right, I'm going. Wait a second. You forgot this. Your hammer. Oh, thank you. You're so pretty.
Oh, thank you. You're handsome as well.
Yes, I'm inside. Time to see how my bunny is doing. Hey, look at me.
Hey, I want to pet this bunny.
Pet me instead of the bunny. Can I check your ticket? Yes, it's valid. Thank you. Oh boy, sorry.
Oh no!
My turtle. Wait a minute. Where's my turtle? There it is. I'm going to faint. Oh! Hey, waitress, have you seen anyone with pets over here? Have I seen you before? I'm new here. You have such a nice haircut. Oh, thank you. My hairdresser knows how to handle me. Just before I go, maybe I can have this bread.
This bread?
No!
Please take this other one.
Oh, thank you. I'll take this one. That was close. Let's take this bread. Look, it's my turtle.
Look at this handsome turtle. He's my best friend.